Skincare acids, a guide to understanding and using them. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the topic of skincare acids. This is a common term in beauty and healthcare, and understanding it will not only improve your English but also your skincare knowledge. Let's dive in. Skincare acids are special ingredients found in various beauty products. They're known for their ability to improve skin health in multiple ways. There are different types of skincare acids, each with unique benefits. For instance, hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin, while salicylic acid helps in treating acne. Understanding these terms can be very helpful in both language learning and daily life. In this section, we'll discuss the most common skincare acids. 1. Hyaluronic acid, great for hydration. 2. Salicylic acid, used in acne treatment. 3. Glycolic acid, helps with skin texture and aging signs. 4. Lactic acid, good for sensitive skin, it exfoliates gently. Each of these acids serves a specific purpose, and knowing their names and functions can greatly enhance your skincare vocabulary. Using skincare acids safely is crucial. Always start with a patch test to see if you have any allergic reactions. It's important to follow the instructions on the product label, and never mix acids without professional advice. Remember, skincare is about taking care of your skin, not harming it. Let's look at some common phrases. I use hyaluronic acid for hydration. My dermatologist recommended salicylic acid for my acne. I noticed improvements in skin texture after using glycolic acid. These phrases are not just useful for skincare discussions but also for practicing English in a real-world context. I hope this video helps you understand the concept of skincare acids and their usage in both skincare and English language contexts. Remember, learning a new language is like skincare, it takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Stay curious, and keep learning.